Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well and safe. I'm back for another video to show you this white Logitech keyboard and mouse. This is the Logitech K470 keyboard and the M340 wireless mouse. This time I'm trying out this combo in white color. I like this because of the clean feel it gives me. The white color makes it look classy, even if this is one of Logitech's cheaper combination. It's cheaper because it does not connect by Bluetooth. You need a USB receiver for both these devices. Both are made from plastic, but they don't feel that cheap. The mouse has more edge though than the keyboard. If you have seen my other video on the Pebble mouse, this M340 is like its twin. On the other hand, the keyboard's keys are not that high quality, but it's not that bad too. The overall build is solid and it's fairly weighted, so it will never move or slide while you type. To connect the keyboard and the mouse, I got this fairly inexpensive Lightning to USB adapter from Lazada to plug in the USB receiver, and so far it works perfectly fine. So, once you have the USB receiver plugged in to the adapter and you plug into the iPad, both the keyboard and the mouse instantly connect. I don't experience any lag, and also it does not disconnect. Same as other Bluetooth keyboards, you cannot do any customizations here. And the same as other mouse, you can customize the buttons from the accessibility settings. If you want to see more on how to connect and customize your mouse buttons for the iPad, check out my other videos linked in the description box below. My typing experience on the keyboard is fine as usual. For me, I really like the devices that Logitech delivers because they really perform well even for the cheaper ones. This K470 keyboard works as it should, so I don't have much to complain about it. The key travel is good. The clicks are not that loud, just enough to give me satisfying feedback. It's actually quite silent considering it's a full-sized keyboard. Some of the function keys work, not all of it, and those that work are quite different from my other Logitech keyboards. Example, to adjust the volume, you need to use the function key plus F10 or F11, unlike the others that you don't need to press the function key. Or to bring the spotlight search, you need to do function key plus F3. It's not really a big deal for me because anyway, I mainly use the keyboard just for typing. I really like the combination of this keyboard with the M340 mouse because it really suits my preference of using silent devices. And if you have watched my other videos, you will see that I prefer the quiet keystrokes and clicks. Using the M340 mouse is very similar with the Pebble mouse. The scrolling is smooth and the clicks are really quiet. The only difference is it connects by the USB receiver and not by Bluetooth. Both devices can go a long way. Logitech claims an 18-month battery life for the mouse and 36-month battery life for the keyboard. And both accessories go into battery-saving sleep mode when not in use. Overall, this is a great pair to my iPad Air 3. All devices work together seamlessly. I like using it when I need to do a lot of typing on my iPad, and when I need to crank up numbers on worksheets, this full-size keyboard with the numeric keypad will surely bring up my productivity. Pairing it up with this mouse, I can transform my iPad into a laptop. So that's it. Thanks for watching.